Don't worry, we'll help you. China Physical Features by Raj and Yash.
Let us blow your mind to pieces. We will travel to the Tibet Plateau. The average temperature of the Tibet is 45 degrees and the winter varies to 18 degrees. The average precipitation of the Tibet is 10 inches. The Himalayas are part of the Tibet, so the plateau is really tall. The highest point of the mountains, of course, is Mount Everest.
Now we travel to the sandy lands of the Taklamakan. To live here, you need to know the weather and the precipitation. At summer, the weather can be 100 degrees, and at winter it can be 15 degrees. The precipitation is 5 inches. As you might expect, there is very little vegetation in this area. Trees and other bushes can only grow near rivers or oases.
The Gobi Desert stretches over 500,000 square miles. The Gobi Desert is one of the world's largest deserts. It covers part of present-day Mongolia. Unlike the Kalikaman Desert, the Gobi Desert has little pebbles than sand. The Gobi Desert has little vegetation, which is widely spread.
The northeastern plain is a cold and dry place. Brrr. The summer temperature goes up only to 75 degrees Fahrenheit, while the winter temperature goes down to 10 degrees Fahrenheit. The precipitation is annually 20 inches. Most of the vegetation is only prairie grass. The Liao and the Shongari are the two major rivers that run through the northeastern plain. The rivers freeze in winter so that they can be used as roads. The summers are too short, and the cold and dryness makes it too hard to grow plants. Therefore, it will be hard to live in.
Time to go down to the North China Plain. It's grassy, fertile land. In the summer, the temperature average to 82 Fahrenheit. The winter average temperature is 28 Fahrenheit. The precipitation average is 23 inches. The ground is covered in slate. Slate is fine particles of rock. This makes the land look yellow. The Hongdae River may be really big, but it's also really muddy. Don't fall in. The Hongdae is useful but dangerous as it can flood most crops and lives.
The final physical feature is the middle and lower Changjiang basins. These basins range to 68 degrees in the Fahrenheit in the summer and 39 degrees Fahrenheit in the winter. The annual precipitation is about 41 inches. The climate in the basins is warm and wet. In the ancient times, the vegetation may have been thick rainforests. The basins are very good for growing rice, which needs lots of warmth and moisture. As you can see, life was tough and different in China. The other China had less people because of the lack of crops. People over there relied on animals to herd. The inner China was more fertile, resulting in more people living over there. And you can also grow crops better. But it was still manageable. Some things went their way, while the other things didn't. I hope you liked the tour around China. And on the behalf of Minds and Rogers, thank you.